Hey, hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from 6th String Fingerpicking. Today we're learning how to play Lágrima. Hope that you enjoy. If you'd like the guitar tab for this, that's available down below. You can get it completely for free. Please like, share, subscribe, but let's get right into the lesson now. Okay, so here we go. It's such a beautiful song and it's so lovely to play. And that's the first little bit. So let's break that right down. So what we're doing there, holding down the 4th fret on the 1st string and the 2nd fret on the 4th string. Okay, play those two together and then you're going to play the 2nd string. Okay, so, and then on the 1st string, go up to the 5th fret, and on the 4th string, go to the 4th fret. Play those two together and then play the 2nd string again. So you've gone, okay, and then take these two and push them both up 2 frets. So the 1st string is going to go to the 7th fret and the 4th string is going to go to the 6th. And again, play those two together and then again play the 2nd string. So there you've gone, okay. Okay, sometimes I kind of flam the note, so I play the 4th string just before the 1st. So you can do that if you want to, it's a nice effect. But you certainly don't have to do it. After that, hold down a B7 chord. Okay, and with that held down, then play strings 1 and 4, followed by 2, 3, 2, and then 5, 2. So all together there you've gone. Okay, so all together you played. And then you just do that all over again. Okay, so that's the first 4 bars. And then you're going up to here. So there, on the 1st string, I'm holding down the 12th fret, and then I'm also barring the 9th fret on strings 2 and 3, and holding down on the 4th string the 11th fret. Okay, so that's what's going on there. Hold that down, play strings 1 and 4, and then 3. So, okay, and then the 1st string is going to go down to the 11th fret, and then bar the 9th fret on the top 4 strings. And then play strings 1 and 4, and then the 3rd string. So you've played. Okay, and then take this shape, push it down 2 frets. So you'll be barring the 7th fret, and then on the 1st string it'll be the 9th fret. This time play with strings 1 and 4, and then the 2nd string. Okay, so there. But we're not done just yet. Keep that bar on the 7th fret, but bring in the 9th fret on the 4th string. Play strings 1 and 4, and then the 9th fret on the 2nd string. So all together. Okay, and then you want to hold down this shape. So there, I'm holding down the 10th fret on the 2nd string and the 11th fret on strings 3 and 4. So hold that down and then play strings 4, the 1st string which will be open, and then 3, 2. So, okay, and then we're going to the 9th fret on the 2nd and the 4th string, play those two together, and then open top string. So it's quite fiddly, that bit. All together, slowly. Watch that as many times as you need to slow it down. But yeah, we've played the 9th fret on strings 2 and 4, and then open 1st string, and then you're going to play the 2nd fret on the 2nd string and the 3rd fret on the 3rd string. Okay, so 2nd fret on the 2nd string, the 3rd fret on the 3rd string, but I'm holding down a bar here. I just find it easier, so I'm barring the 2nd fret from the first to the fifth string, and then holding down that third fret on the third string. Okay. With that held down, I'll then play strings 2 and 3. Okay. Then the top string, second fret. Okay, and then it's going to be the bass, so the fifth string, second fret. And then you're going to hold down the fourth fret on the second string and play that with the third string. Okay, so altogether it's like that. It's beautiful. And then I just go to an E chord. Okay, but on the E chord, I'll just hold it down like this. I'll just play strings 1, 3, and 4. So like, okay, so, and then just the sixth string. Okay, so that last bit, quite tricky. Like that. So if we put it all together from the start, you have played and then again, and then we go right the way up the fretboard. And then you go through that all over again. So the only other section of the song, the minor part, goes. Okay, so that's the other section. So let's break it right down. So it's starting on an E minor chord, and hold down the third fret on the top string. I'll play that with the second string and the bass, so the sixth string, and then slide that third fret up to the eighth on the top string. Then play the seventh, and then open. So, okay, then we're holding down a B7, so bar the second fret from the first to the fifth string, and then hold down the fourth fret on the second string. Play strings 1, 2, 3, and 5, and then third fret on the top string. Okay, and then both the E strings together. So that's. Okay. We got this. So we played our 2 E strings, then it's first fret on the second string, second fret on the third string together, and then open, same 2 strings, and then on the fourth and third string, so on the third string play the second fret, and then on the fourth string play the fourth fret, play those together, and then open third string with the second fret on the fourth string together, and then back to here. So remember, second fret on the third, fourth on the fourth. So that bit is. Okay. Okay, and then play strings 2, 3, and 6 together. So that's the first 2 bars of this section. So you played there strings 2, 3, and 6 together, and then we've got. So that's on the top string, 12th fret, and then on the fourth string, 7th fret. First string again, 8th fret. Okay, and then on the fifth string, 9th fret. Then on the second string, 10th fret. So that's a bit fiddly, but that's what it is. Okay, then we hold down a B7. All you need to hold down, add your bar, all 6 strings on the 7th fret, and then add the 8th fret on the 3rd string. Play strings 2, 3, and 6 together. And then on the 4th string, play frets 9, 10, 9, So open second string and then second fret on the first string. Okay, so there. So that's the first 4 bars. You've gone. And then you've just got this. Okay, so let's break that down. Top string, first string, 3rd fret. On the 4th string, it's the 2nd fret. Play those 2 together. Then play the open 2nd string. Okay, and then push these 2 up. So 5th fret on the 1st string, 4th fret on the 4th string together. Then the 2nd string. And then 7th fret on the 1st string, 5th fret on the 4th together. And then the 2nd string. So that's just. Okay, and then we got this. So it's the 10th fret on the top string. Play that with the bass. Then the 8th fret. You can pull off if you want to. And then it's the 7th fret. So. And then on the 2nd string it's 10, 8, 7. So just. And then open 1st string. And then open 2 and 3, strings 2 and 3. And then 2nd fret on the 1st string. And then 1st fret on the 1st fret on the 2nd string and 2nd fret on the 3rd string. Play those 2 together. So this is how I finger it. I play. Okay. And then after that, we go to a B7. Play strings 2 and 5 on your B7 chord. Okay, and then 3 and 4. Okay, so you've gone. That bit's quite fiddly. Okay, but then just hold down an E minor, play strings 1, 3, and 4, and then 6. Okay, so. So that last bit you've gone. Okay, and then if you put that with the first half, you've got. Okay, and then that all goes round again, and then you go through part 1 one more time, and that's it. So that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and head over to 6stringfingerpicking.com for hundreds more lessons, all on fingerpicking for all levels. So check it out. Links all down in the description. But that's it. Thanks so much. I'll see you again.